Which is the fastest production car in the world? What is the longest non-stop commercial flight route? Who holds the record for the longest solo motorcycle trip? Which car holds the record for the highest speed ever recorded? What is the longest bridge in the world used by vehicles? Who was the youngest person to drive solo across the United States? What is the fastest train in the world? What is the longest road tunnel in the world? Which country has the most highways? Who holds the record for the longest non-stop yacht voyage? What is the fastest speed achieved by a bicycle? Which city has the largest metro system by length? What is the longest commercial shipping route? Who was the first person to drive around the world? What is the fastest car crash test dummy speed recorded? Which is the largest cruise ship in the world? Which is the oldest car brand still in operation? What is the longest flight duration for a commercial flight? Who is the fastest person to cross the English Channel by swimming?